So hi teachers, this is especially made for teachers to show you how you have to correct the answer sheet while using the Google Classroom thing. First of all, you have to install the Google Classroom app using the Google Play Store. Just click on this Google Classroom, you will get the app. You have to enter the app and download it. After that, what you have to do is an invitation will be sent to your email ID. So open your Gmail. So in this, I have not made any sections, so it has directly come into my primary. But if you have made any sections, it will be seen over here in the top left. You can see social, promotion. You will see an updates section also. If you have made sections, then in update section this will be going. Otherwise, it will come in your primary. So click on that mail, and down you can see the institutions have sent me a invitation. You have to click on join. Open with Google Classroom. So it's open. So you have to click on which ID you want to open it with. I have opened it in my class 5 ID. So once you have entered, you will see that you are into the Google Classroom as a teacher. So you will be enrolled in as a teacher. You can see the first is Google Benny Institutions, which is the owner of the page. Second is JB class 5, which is a teacher, and my JB class 7 is a student. So in this sample exam, the first assignment, business economics, is sent by JB class 7. It has been turned in, but since it's done late, it is sure that it's turned in late. So in order to correct it, you have to click on that. So after clicking on that, I have shown you the first is a PDF model. If the student is uploading PDF, you can see the PDF over here. On the other hand, if some students might be having some problem in uploading PDF, so they will be sending it to you as a link of Google Drive. If it is sent via PDF, you can make addition or correction over here itself. If it is sent to you via Google Drive, you cannot make any corrections, but you can see the answer sheets and give the marks. So let me show you. If it's sent as PDF, look, it will be shown like this. The PDF, the answer sheet will be shown. On the top, you have a pencil mark. You can click on that. We can set create a new file. So you can use the pencils and give corrections, or you can put a wrong mark or give 5 marks, 2 marks. Then on the next page, you can give 2 marks wherever it's necessary, and then click on the top left, save. And it with the edited thing will be saved as a saved PDF. You can see the down one is edited demo exam 1. It's the saved PDF which you have already saved. I will show you. This is the edit thing which you have done. So on the other hand, if it is sent as a Google Drive thing, you can just open it via using a drive, or JB class 5, you can open it and then view it. You can see the answers, you can see the answer sheets without, but you cannot make any corrections in this. You can just view it. There is no options for corrections. You can just view it and then put the marks accordingly. Now where to put the marks? The final marks will be put up over here. Add grade, over there you can put up marks. Out of 50 I will put 42, fine. Then you have to go to the top right corner and return it. Okay, great job. Okay, return. Or else if you have any comment about the student, you can, and the top, in the bottom, you can see add private comment. You can say check your second answer. It is wrong. Something of that, so you can say, you can post it, and then you can return it. Okay, return it. So once it's returned means it will go back to the student itself. 42 out of 50 marks you have given will go back to the student. Remember to return the student work. Okay, got it. It's already returned to the student. This is how you do correction in a Google Classroom.